5 seconds. The farmers of the National Policy on Education realized that the formal system of education will not be able to reach all children of the country, particularly girls, working children, street children, and those children whose participation in the school system is hindered by social and economic situations. The policy therefore provided for a systematic and large scale flexible programs of non formal education to enable the children to learn at their own place and their own environment education of quality. The idea behind the system is that if the child cannot go to the school shall go to the child. The scheme, which was originally started in 1987, has been revised to provide flexible curriculum, diversity in learning activity through decentralized management. The non formal education has already yielded very fruitful results in the field of adult education, distant education. The government proposes to increase the number of non formal education centers to 3 lakh so as to cover all habitations. The experiment of non formal education is being closely watched by advanced countries, particularly in Asia. Vocational education and training at present is being imparted through polytechnics and industrial training institutions, etc. Nursing schools and commercial training schools are also associated in these activities. Within the school system, vocational education is given at plus 2 stage. The data regarding engineering and non engineering trades and students is available. There is also a century sponsored scheme of pre vocational education at lower secondary stage. It was launched primarily because of the fact that more than 90% of the student population does not go beyond class 10th, thereby creating a large segment of unskilled labor force. Under this scheme, training is imparted in simple marketable skills to students of class 9 and 10 so that the students may develop interests and aptitudes for vocational courses at higher secondary level. A central institute for vocational education has been set up to provide technical and academic support to the program. Linkages are being sought with the industry, vocational and technical institutions so that no trainee remains unemployed after training. These measures will ensure speedy progress in providing technical education to the needy people